Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a useful tool from Amazon that can become indispensable for home projects, repairs and workshop tasks. It's the compact FNIRSI WMT-10 moisture meter, which works without direct contact and gives you results in just a second. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps promote the video and motivates me to create more helpful reviews. Let's get started. The device arrives in a simple but neat box. Everything inside is secured so the tool doesn't get damaged during transportation. It's clear that the manufacturer focused on practicality, minimal design, maximum functionality. The packaging is lightweight and compact, so you can easily take the device with you or store it in a toolbox without taking up much space. Inside the box, you'll find the moisture meter, a battery, a manual, and a protective cap for the sensor. The device looks modern and feels solid in the hand. The matte body doesn't slip and doesn't collect fingerprints. The large display on the front is easy to read even at an angle, and the buttons have a clear and comfortable click. The device is very lightweight, making it comfortable to use even for long periods of time. One of its biggest advantages is the removable sensor cap, which protects the measuring area and adds convenience during daily use. This moisture meter measures humidity without penetrating the material, meaning it leaves no marks and doesn't damage the surface. It works on wood, plywood, particle board, cardboard, plaster, and many other materials. All you need to do is place it against the surface and press a button. Within a second, you get an accurate percentage of moisture on the display. The device also has an audio alert that notifies you if the moisture level is too high. There is a button lock to prevent accidental changes to the settings and an auto-off function to save battery life. The device is extremely convenient to use. It's lightweight, contactless, and provides instant results. There is no need to drill holes or insert pins, which is a major advantage. It's perfect for checking firewood before using a fireplace, measuring wall moisture before renovation, or working on hobbies where material condition matters. The display is informative and shows large digits, making it easy to read even in low light. The meter is inexpensive compared to local store options, yet it performs reliably and accurately for its class. Buying it on Amazon makes it even more budget-friendly. The device may sometimes show slightly different values on the same surface if you hold it at different angles, so it's important to keep it flat and stable for consistent readings. The body, while comfortable, is not drop-resistant, so you need to handle it carefully. The readings may fluctuate a bit on very thin or porous materials. This is not a critical issue, but something to be aware of during work. Overall, the FNIRSI WMT-10 moisture meter leaves a very positive impression. It's simple, compact, lightweight, and gives fast results. For home tasks, it's an ideal option. You can check boards before construction, test materials before painting, or evaluate plaster before finishing work. Using it is pleasant because the interface is extremely straightforward and easy to understand. If you need an inexpensive but genuinely useful tool for working with wood or building materials, this is definitely a great choice, especially for the price on Amazon. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this review helpful, leave a like and tell me in the comments which tools or gadgets you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Many more Amazon product reviews are coming soon. See you in the next videos.